Achievers British Academy. Welcome back to Achievers British Academy. And in this session we will do some written communication, because students were asking ki sir, we have completed all the tenses. Obviously I have completed all the tenses, all the grammar portion. So how what should do sir at home? So it's better you can do the written work, essay writing, story writing, and application, so that you can mix all the tenses in that particular story writing and essay writing and this application. So in this session we will discuss today some written communication, written work, so that you can mix all the tenses, because I have completed all maximum tenses, or you can just mix all the tenses. Now today in this session we will discuss one story, and I will share one story. So in that particular story all the tenses will be mixed. So today I am going to discuss a story, or I am going to share a story with you, Achievers British Academy student. A true story of one of my friend. So I will share one story with you, Achievers British Academy student, in English, and try to convert this whole story into Hindi. So this homework you will do. I will speak a whole story. I will share one story with you guys in English to try to convert this story into Hindi. So today I am going to share with you a true story of one of my friend. I would not like to reveal his name. I do not want to disclose his name. Though in August 2018 his health was perfect. He used to go for a morning walk early at 5 o'clock. He used to go early morning walk at 5 o'clock, run for about a kilometer, and so every day. So I remember an evening when I asked him how he managed it. Obviously this is very something imaginary, and this is very hard working. So one day I asked him, I remember one day I asked him, when I asked him how you managed it, I remember telling him, you wake up at 5 and I wake up at 6, can't have a morning walk together. However, I am planning to change my routine, because I am not get up early in the morning. So I just want to make the plan with him. So I shared this. I am planning to change my routine. Hopefully I will join you soon. So at the same time we can go along with, I will go along with you for the morning walk. So suddenly one day when I was in office, I heard that he was reached to hospital. This is fully surprise to me due to high blood pressure. And I immediately took permission from my manager and I left to visit him. By the time I reached there, he was quite stable but under doctor's supervision. He admitted, I think he admitted somewhere around for 8 or 7 hours that day. This incident onwards, his health started deteriorating. This incident onwards, his health started deteriorating day by day. Just after few days, I happened to meet him in the park. He informed me that he was diagnosed with some major infection in both of his kidneys. So I was fully shocked, and that was very panic news for me, and this was very painful for me, because he is very good friend of mine. He is my childhood friend. So I was very surprised that day. Even I could easily figure out discernible changes in his physical appearance. I was deliberately hurt, because he was, as I told you, very good friend of mine. I was very sad that day. A few weeks later, he along with his family had to reallocate to Delhi for the treatment. I had seen fit just a while ago. मैंने उसको कुछ ही टाइम पहले देखा था कि वो fit था. I had seen fit just a while ago, and how he was at his worst situation. he had to hospitalized. He was and dialysis for a week. So that was very critical situation, and that was very very sad and painful time for me. I heard that news, so I was fully shocked and I was fully pinched like anything. So this is my humble request. Just take care of your health first. Health is wealth. Health is everything. So सबसे परम सुख निरोगी काया. So I would like to say this thing. First of all, take care of health. Then after your rest of the things will come into the picture. So friends, that was the story. So try to convert this story from English to Hindi. So this is the best way to enhance your polish your English. So because we have done all the tenses, all the grammar portion we have done, I have completed from my side also. So all the students, this is request you to all student, because this is written work.